Just the one
from last week,
Did you
yeah.
get it done?
We did. I just heard we got denied for PTI. Yeah, I'm shocked. I thought it was a good mitigation packet.
Just due to the accident and the details of the driving fast, he was
Here we see the defense navigating a tricky discovery problem. Multiple agencies were involved, and missing body cam footage could seriously impact the case. Have you ever wondered how a single missing report might change a trial outcome? This is a perfect example of why thorough discovery is critical in legal proceedings.
What do you want to do?
I'd like to set it for trial. Well, actually, I'd like to have a compliance hearing. There's some discovery that is missing. The state brought it to my attention. I'll let the state.
It's so there was multiple agencies on the scene. It appears that we only received discovery from one of the agencies, and the other agency did not submit discovery to us. I have watched the footage and I've been able to identify the other officers on scene, and I've been in contact with them. I just haven't received the discovery yet.
How long do you think? Have you spoken to them or no?
Yes, I've spoken to the.
What did they say? Do they have it?
They would need to look. I think there might be an additional offense report out there, and I think there might be an additional body worn camera.
Okay, so let's do this. I'll set it for a compliance hearing on Friday. Subpoena the off, well,
I mean, you're judging, if we don't have this by then,
yeah, because the case is like,
case, right?
you know,
This is an issue I've seen with this particular agency.
what agency is it?
It's,
What the flip?
I've seen it where their system goes by offense report number, but sometimes they may have a different offense report number. So then when the body worn camera comes back, it tracks to a different number. There's a way that HPD can pull it up by their own like name, badge number, but we don't have access to that. We just pull it up by the offense report number. I've seen that in felony. It's bit me in the behind before when I was at trial where, you know, you just don't know their body came from.
Okay. I guess Friday. Blaze, what do you think?
I mean, it's been
261 days.
I think if we are telling the officer, like, you need to have it by then, I'm hoping the headlights will fire.
Okay, Friday.
I have a scheduling issue for Friday, Judge.
Zoom in.
I can zoom in. Well, what if he's going to do a plea? Well,
Look at this. Neil White made bond but now faces a bond violation. The court is juggling multiple cases while ensuring accountability. It's a reminder of how complex court scheduling can be when defendants skip check-ins. What would you do if you were his lawyer here? Push for a quick resolution or wait it out?
I guess it's, we'll see if it comes.
See if it comes.
Yeah, I think they may dump it.
It's
Okay.
okay.
Can I wait my client's appearance though? Okay. Thank you, Judge. I appreciate it.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning, Judge. I was here on Friday on two cases, which is Manuel Cooch, COC, and then CUZ.
Yes.
And he's in custody, Judge, but right now he's in the 177.
Okay, we'll roll with tomorrow.
Yes, sir. And then another defendant is Neil White, and he was in custody and being processed on Friday, but it appears he made bond over the weekend, and he's not here, Judge. And he's got a bond violation, Mr. White bond violation report, and the state has filed a motion to revoke and raise. He didn't check in, Judge.
PR bonds on all these cases.
Neil?
Make sure, why is it custody, right?
No.
No, I don't.
It should all say it's in custody.
Okay.
At you going. You got Neil White? I'm showing bond made.
Yeah, the anthem separate by us. So you make sure you get.
I mean, he's supposed to be here for these cases today. I mean, I guess maybe they get him a 7-day setting. I don't know.
And then you need another shirt on.
White.
They just had to get the image, yeah, I just.
So what's probably going to happen is he got a 7-day setting.
He's got what, Judge?
He got, when they bond out, they get 7-day settings normally, okay? I'm assuming that they probably gave him 7-day settings on everything. What I'd like to do is put him on for Friday. So if you have a good number, please reach out to him and let him know that we're going to put him on docket for Friday. He has to be here, okay?
And the other gentleman carried till tomorrow. Thank you, Judge.
Hey, I've got.
I am approaching on an off-docket matter.
Okay,
This is for, cause number is 2535421.
Ms. Treadwell.
Ms. Treadwell.
Okay.
Yes, Your Honor. So we are close to getting a agreement. However, I wanted to revisit, Your Honor, on
No.
this. Well,
No, I know what you're gonna do.
No, Your Honor. It's more so of, we're not trying to get out of inpatient. That's not what she's trying to do. Okay, she's been working with the WHO Santa Maria the past 2 months now, and they've been sending me all letters and everything. I just had not had a chance to send it to state. They offer the type of facility that she can bring her children. And that is much more so what we would want to do.
I don't know, did they recommend Hue?
They did.
I'm okay with Hue.
So,
From my understanding, Blue Santa Maria is for small children.
Here's a tense moment. Anthony Lopez must pay restitution before taking time served, and another defendant's mitigation hinges on providing proof of college. Even small details like paperwork can drastically affect outcomes. Court decisions often come down to timing, documentation, and precise compliance.
Pregnant, is she pregnant or?
no, but she has a 3-year-old, and she's 3 years old. And she's 3 years old, autistic, she is.
I'm okay with Hue Santa Maria. I'm
Okay, you're okay with who Santa Maria? Okay, there we go. That's what we do. Okay, all right.
Absolutely.
Thank you. I didn't want to know so fast.
No. I want to make sure that it doesn't, if they're okay with the Santa Maria, I'm okay with it too.
Okay.
Yeah, totally.
All right, thank you.
Yes, sir. Oh, this is what you were asking?
Yes.
It's just,
Michael?
Mr. Anthony Lopez,
Yeah,
it seems like he needs to pay out of pocket 1,500.
okay.
So could we get 30 days, Your Honor?
Once time served.
Yes.
How much do you want?
30 days.
Well, I'm not going to do 30 days. This case is 210 days old. I mean, this should have done a long time ago. I'll give him a couple weeks, but Michael, that's
Sure.
So here's the deal. Got to understand that the business that we're in, we don't trust people, right?
Understand.
We got to have the stuff up front because we've been burned plenty of times. So if that's the route that you want to do, take the time served, you have to pay restitution first. Can you generate the bill if you don't mind?
Yes,
That way
it's
we-
already generated.
We can give you the bill to you. I will give you 2 weeks. The case is 210 days old, so I'm not giving you much time. I'll give you 2 weeks. If you've got it paid, great. If you don't, we can do a probation and then you can pay it while you're going on the probation. So don't stress. If you don't have it, then, don't do anything you shouldn't do, right?
Yes, sir.
At the worst is the worst, we can always do it through a probation, okay?
sir.
You got 2 weeks.
I can get it done.
Okay. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor. And then I have Mr. Louis Lemus, Your Honor.
Okay.
We submitted a mitigation packet. Ashley's waiting to see if he has proof for college before she makes a decision. Could I get a week or so?
I mean, all he has to do is get proof of college, right?
Yeah.
Literally,
I
that's
don't-
something that you can just pull up on your phone and email. I'll give you till Monday.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you.